Are you an NRI who invests in Indian mutual funds? Here's a question worth asking. Do you always need to pay tax in India on those capital gains? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. In fact, depending on where you live, you might not have to pay any tax in India at all. But this benefit comes with specific rules, and many investors overlook them. Let's start with the basics. India has tax treaties, called Double Tax Avoidance Agreements or DTAs, with several countries. These treaties determine which country has the right to tax different types of income. Now, when it comes to capital gains from mutual funds, some treaties clearly say if you're a resident of the other country, then only that country can tax those gains, not India. This is particularly relevant if you live in countries like the UAE, Singapore, or Mauritius. These nations either don't tax capital gains or allow India to waive them under treaty rules. So, technically, you could earn gains on Indian mutual funds and legally pay zero tax, both abroad and in India. To claim that benefit, though, there's a proper process you need to follow. Here's what's required: a valid tax residency certificate from your country of residence, submission of Form 10F to the Indian tax authorities. You must be a genuine tax resident of that country, not just staying there temporarily. And the investments must be made directly by you, not through a discretionary portfolio manager. If any part of this chain is missing, exemption could be denied. Indian tax law allows you to choose the treaty if it gives you a more favorable outcome than the Income Tax Act. But you must opt for it properly and meet all requirements. Courts and tribunals have clarified that mutual fund units are not the same as shares of Indian companies. That's why they fall under the article that gives exclusive taxing rights to the country of residence, if the treaty allows it. So, what's the takeaway? Don't assume you're exempt, or assume you're not. Check your DTAA, understand what it covers, and stay compliant. If you're investing from abroad, understanding these rules helps you avoid errors, reduce risks, and plan smarter.